Hi there everybody. So today's video I have this BMW 3 Series. This is a 2015, the touring version, and I'm having a problem with the tire pressure monitor. So basically I've got that light flashing there, and also so it's not resetting. It's unable to reset the pressures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. This bit is the receiver. This is what receives the signal from the tires. So that each wheel has a sensor and it sends a signal. I had those sensors checked by someone else that has the software, and told me that all the sensors are actually working, which then leaves me with this part here that might be faulty. I have seen that some people have had issues with this part as well. I just don't know where this is located, but I've read that this part might be located on the touring BMW, next to the fuel tank. So we're gonna have a look at that. I'm gonna change it, and hopefully that will fix the issue. Okay, so I looked under the car, and that tire pressure module is not there. So I've done a little bit more research, and apparently on this model is sitting under this area here. So I'm gonna take all those covers out and check it out. Okay, so I think I've spotted the device sitting just under that plastic area here. So I'm going to I'm removing all the panels here. So far I remove this cover here. That cover has two small screws. They're T20s. These small T20s, they go in here, and another one just up here. Obviously this is sitting up a little bit more like that, and then you need to unplug this from up there. Just be careful with the light here, but you can unplug the rest of it. It's all plugged in up there. I've also removed 3 Torx, 1, 2 and 3 from this panel, and I've removed those Torx are T25s, this type here, and this the silver one there. I've also removed 2 Allen bolts. These are 5mm Allen heads that are in here. Obviously I removed all the trim that is around here, like the parcel shelf and all of that, as well as the cover that is sitting here. That cover is just held in by those plastic clips with a center, these ones. So you take the center out and then you can remove the clip. This particular one belongs to this cover. So the other cover looks similar to that. It's got 3 of those, and then you have to take it out from the bottom first, and then it comes out. Obviously then I proceeded to take this out. I've taken that one out, and I've also removed this from here because that's bolted onto there. I used a T30 for this bolt, but I think it's a T30 or T40 because this one was a bit too big. That's a T45, but that didn't fit. The reason we need to remove this panel is because this comes up, sort of upwards, otherwise you can't take it out. So now I'm gonna carry on discovering how this the rest of it comes out, and then we'll get back to it. So there's another one of these sitting here under this panel into this metal part here, so that's why I couldn't pull this out. So I've got that out and I managed to pull this out a bit. You can maybe spot, you can see the module is just sitting there, so I still need to get this bit out. Okay, so I'm a little bit unsure how to remove this, but I just managed to wiggle this thing out from there, and that's giving me a little bit of access to that module. So I'm going to get that out. I can see there's one of those pins with a don't wanna drop the pin. So looking at the new one side is plugged in. So it's got a little pin in there. Well, that's out. Now I just have to unplug it, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I managed to get it out. I can't believe I have to dismantle half of the car to get that little thing out. Well, never mind. So basically the fault I've been getting is that the TPMS is not resetting, so I get the little warning inside of the car as I showed at the beginning. This is the new one, apparently plug and play, so I'm just gonna plug it in and put it in there, and hopefully we'll start getting some readings in the computer.